How to construct the automatic streetlight using LDR circuit. Construction of automatic streetlight. Connect the collector terminal of the BC547 transistor to the one end of the resistor 1 kilo ohm. Connect another end of resistor 1000 ohms to the LED negative short terminal. Connect LED positive long terminal to the positive terminal of battery. Connect the base middle pin of the transistor to one end of a 330 ohm resistor. Connect the other end of the 330 ohm resistor to LDR sensor 1 terminal and one end of a 100 kilo ohm resistor. Connect the other end of the 100 kilo ohm resistor to the positive terminal of the battery. Connect the emitter terminal of the transistor to the negative ground terminal of the battery. Connect LDR sensor second terminal to the negative terminal of the battery. And our circuit construction is complete. The project is working perfectly. How to make automatic streetlight using LDR on breadboard. For full video, click on link or visit to our channel at Book of Technical. We deliver good and productive video. All video available in Hindi, Marathi, and English. Welcome to Book of Technical. This video present by Inno91 Green Technologies. Subscribe and get new video. Thank you and visit Book of Technical channel again.